Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today. I'm excited to introduce our presentation on construction submittals. This is the first of 5 slides, and we're going to explore how these submittals are truly the heartbeat of quality control in every project. We'll look at what they include, drawings, samples, data, and how they ensure that all materials and equipment meet our project specifications. I'll also touch on the standards that guide these processes, like PMBOK, AIA 13300, and ISO 9001. So let's get started and see how effective submittals form the foundation for technical compliance and project success. The preparation phase is where accuracy matters most. This is the critical step where engineers compile all the necessary documentation, such as shop drawings, catalog cuts, and test certificates. It's essential that every component is thoroughly documented to ensure clarity and precision. Each submittal must include key details like the project title, the specific section of the specifications it relates to, the revision number, the date, and the contractor's name. These details help keep everything organized and traceable. Finally, a transmittal sheet is added to the package. This sheet is really the cornerstone of traceability and version control, making sure everyone knows exactly what version they're working with and where it fits in the overall project. As we move through the process, remember that these careful steps in preparing the submittal package help prevent errors and keep the project on track. A strong workflow is essential for ensuring that project deliverables are completed on time and that we minimize delays throughout the project. When we have a well-organized process, it helps keep everyone on the same page and reduces the risk of missing critical deadlines. The submittal log plays a crucial role here. It's fully integrated into the project schedule, whether we're using Primavera or MS Project. This integration allows us to track submissions seamlessly and see how each step fits into the overall timeline. Another key point is responsibility. Each step in the workflow assigns clear accountability, whether it's the contractor, the engineer, or the client. This creates a continuous quality loop, where everyone knows their role and contributes to maintaining project standards. It's all about fostering collaboration and ensuring quality at every stage. And don't forget, always allow enough lead time for review cycles. This is especially important because, as outlined in USACE Module 5, proper timing helps prevent bottlenecks and last-minute surprises. Planning review periods in advance keeps the workflow smooth and ensures that reviews and approvals are completed without unnecessary delays. Overall, integrating the submittal schedule with the project workflow creates a cohesive process that supports timely delivery, accountability, and quality control, key elements for project success. Let's talk about the review process and why it's so crucial. It ensures that everything aligns with the project design and meets the necessary standards. When a document or plan is submitted, the consultant or engineer carefully checks every detail before making a decision. They might approve it, ask for revisions and resubmission, or reject it if it doesn't meet the criteria. All comments and feedback are tracked through the submittal log, which helps contractors understand exactly what needs to be revised and resubmitted efficiently. This tracking system keeps everything organized and transparent. It's also important to maintain strict revision control and record tracking, especially because we're following ISO 9001 Clause 856. This ensures that all changes are documented properly, and there's a clear history of revisions. Overall, the review and approval process keeps the project on track, maintains quality, and ensures compliance with our standards. It's a key step in delivering a successful project from start to finish. Successful projects really hinge on using standardized templates and having clear, organized documentation. It's essential to keep everything consistent so that all team members and stakeholders are on the same page. Always remember to align your submittal process with the PMP phases. So that means planning carefully, executing efficiently, monitoring progress closely, and closing out properly. Leveraging digital tools like Procure, Aconex, and BIM 360 can make a huge difference. They help us track submittals faster and give us better visibility into the project status at any given moment. And of course, consistent and timely submittals are key. When we stay on top of these, the project delivery tends to go more smoothly, and client satisfaction naturally improves. In summary, sticking to best practices, using the right templates, aligning with PMP phases, utilizing digital tools, and maintaining regular communication are all vital for project success. These principles keep everything streamlined and help us deliver quality results on every project.